Today I have a project share of more of the mini composition notebooks from Walmart. I did use the Pumpkins and Plaid paper for this little notebook, and then this one as well. And then I had some smaller scraps of the Graphic 45 Autumn Greetings. Guys, I absolutely love this paper, and I'm so worried that I'm gonna run out. I'm gonna quit using it because I don't want to run out anyway. But I did add some little pockets to the inside of these little books. Look how cute this is. This paper is just so beautiful, and I think this would be a great little gratitude journal. In fact, that's probably what I'm going to do with this one. Just a little gratitude journal for the season, for, September, October, November. Yeah, I think that would be great. And then here's another one that I made using the Autumn Greetings Graphic 45 paper. And I did add a little pocket to it. Just whatever scraps I had left over, I made, just turned them into pockets. And then here, that collection has a lot of these smaller cut-aparts, and I thought this was perfect. I believe this paper is from Pumpkins and Plaid, but look how they coordinate. They really coordinate. This is Pumpkins and Plaid. This is the Graphic 45. They definitely coordinate with each other. And so I did go ahead and add a pocket to this one. And that cute little fox. He's just so cute. I love him. I have a bunch more of these little tiny cut-aparts. And, this is what I will use them for sure. Or it would be cute to make a little notebook with that on there, like a little cinch bound notebook. I may do that too as well. And then here's this one. Oh, this paper. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Now I want to add some lace and different things to these, but I'm thinking, you know what? They don't even really need that. Can you imagine putting a bunch of these on a craft table to sell? I mean, just having a pile of them in all kinds of paper. Let me back out. And just having a pile of them, or in a nice little container, and have a sign as to how much they are each. But look how cute they are. I just love them. And I want to make more. And I think, of course, you could package them up if you want to, but you don't have to. They're pretty, they're okay to leave these out on a table, and you could save on packaging. So you could sell them for like $2 each. And remember, I believe they were like, I can't remember what maybe 40 cents each. So if you're selling them for $2, you're making some money. And these you can put together very, very quickly. I made like all of these in 15 minutes. Okay, very, very simple to make, and they're cost effective. All right, guys, well, that is it for today. I will attach the tutorial. In the tutorial, I did add tabs to the sides of these. You don't have to, obviously. These are cute on their own, just like this. So cute. All right, guys, which one is your favorite? This is number 1. Number 2, that might be my favorite. Number 3, that might be my favorite too. Number 4, number 5, and number 6. Which one is your favorite? Please comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. Mine's a toss-up. I think these two tie for me. All right, guys. Let me know in the comments. All right, I will see you on Thursday. This is a short and sweet video today.